Hi there, it's Calvin Ma here, and welcome to day one of your 7-day network marketing internet marketing video bootcamp. Sorry for the long title. Um, so what I'm going to do through these series of 7 days is step you through how to set up your own marketing system. So we're going to create the system to generate leads, and we're going to use technology to automate as much of this as possible, so that it's something that once you get set up, it can run pretty well on autopilot. And please note that we will not be buying leads. That's not part of the program. The first component of your marketing system is a lead capture page. It's also called a squeeze page, but I don't really like the term because it sounds like you're like a gangster putting the squeeze on someone and trying to get money out of them, which is kind of like what you're doing, but not in such a ugly way of describing it. What the squeeze page does is it creates curiosity in your exact opportunity. It talks all about your business and basically creates the interest in your prospect. And the purpose of the lead capture page is to capture the name and email address of the interested prospect. And sometimes you'll be obtaining additional information like telephone number, biggest question, biggest frustration, etc. It's up to you, but the way it works is that the less you ask for, the more people that will respond and actually fill in their information. There actually is a science and art to lead capture pages, and that's something we'll teach you. Here's an example of a lead capture page that I set up, and it's regarding send out cards. As you'll see, there's different components to it. I won't go into it now, as we'll go into more detail in future installments. But basically, you have your subheadline, your headline. Your headline is probably the most important thing on your lead capture page to attract the reader's attention, so they don't go off and look at something else or just leave your page. There's another part of the headline here, and again, these three components are there to capture the interest of the prospects, so they don't take off and leave your web page. A lot of people, they also use videos in the lead capture page, as that's something that is makes your lead capture page much more attractive and makes it something that people want to stay on and watch through the video. Right here is what we call the opt-in box, and that's where you ask for the prospect's name, email, and phone number. Again, if you ask for the phone number, sometimes the people that the number of people that will fill in the boxes will be reduced, but having the phone number is pretty handy so that you can contact your prospects. And then just some more information and just your salutation. And basically, the lead capture page, you're supposed to keep it very simple, and the only thing that you can really do on a lead capture page for the prospect is to put in their name and information or leave. You don't want to have any other links to other pages to distract, and basically, you don't want people to leave, or you don't want to give them a way of leaving your page other than opting into your onto your lead capture page. Another component, a very vital component of your marketing system, is your email autoresponder. And this is usually in the form of online software. And one of the big companies out there is aweber.com, which is the company that I use. What an email autoresponder does is it automates the task of sending out emails with the information it automates the task of sending out emails with information for your prospects that opt into your email list. The beauty of the email autoresponder is it doesn't have to end at just one email. You can automate a series of emails which continually market to your prospects for however many days you want. And actually almost forever, depending on how many emails that you pre-write to put into your autoresponder. Like you could set up like a series of 30 or 365 emails, and your autoresponder will just automatically send out the emails on the schedule that you specify. Like maybe in the first few emails for a prospect, you'll send it every day, but after the seventh day, maybe you want to send it every 3 days, and after a few months, maybe once every week. And you can test different ways of doing it that provide the optimal amount of information and offers to provide to your prospects. So it's like having a sales force constantly selling to your prospects 24/7. And another thing that's cool about it is once it's set up, like once you've written those emails, you don't have to do it again because those emails are available to send to any of your new prospects. So your autoresponder also has the task of sorting your prospects into different categories and puts them in the appropriate sales funnel. So the sales funnel is the system that takes your prospect from the time they enter your first point of contact, whether that's a pay-per-click ad, your website, your blog, your Facebook page, your Twitter tweet, etc. Anything that you basically uh, any entry point for your prospect, and then what the sales funnel does is it takes them through the entire sales process to end up as a sale in some way or form. While your prospect is making their way through the sales funnel, the system provides them more and more information. The system also provides a prospect with various offers of tools and products to buy. For example, affiliate products, affiliate ebooks, DVD programs. Example, the autoresponder, like Aweber, that can be an affiliate product that you can offer that you get paid commissions. Also, your hosting, your domain names, all that kind of stuff can be done on an affiliate basis where if your prospect signs up for any of these products, you will actually get paid a commission. And one of these offers is going to be your primary business opportunity. Here's a basic schematic that goes through your simple business model or your sales funnel. So up front you have your traffic sources that brings it into your squeeze page, which will have a free offer to capture their contact info. And what happens is they get put onto your prospect list so you can continue to market to your list with more relevant offers. After the squeeze page, your prospect will be sent to a sales page with front-end products with optional bonuses. If they purchase, they get put on a buyer's list, and the email that gets sent out from a buyer's list will have content and other offers to move them further down the product funnel. And eventually that also moves them down to the middle and back end product sales, so more additional products. After the sales page, they also get potentially sent to an optional upsell page. So for example, if the sales page they bought a $97 ebook, the optional upsell might be for a $497 DVD video course. And then eventually it gets to a thank you page. So the key to this is to get from the prospect from the squeeze page onto your prospect list and eventually into your buyer's list. And when they're on your prospect list, you can email them, you basically put them on your autoresponder and email them different offers and provide them additional content, information, tips on how to develop their marketing, etc. And that's what keeps people interested and keeps people wanting to read your emails. So that's it for day one of your boot camp, and hopefully I'll see you on boot camp day 2. Bye for now.